Hello, my name is P.C. Narayan. I'm on the finance faculty at IIM Bangalore. I teach banking, financial markets and international finance here and research in exactly the same subjects. Welcome to the faculty development program. What I'm going to do in the next few minutes is to share with you an amazing enlightenment that I've got recently using the blended model in the classroom. Let me quickly take you through what got me into this. Around August, September 2014, IIM Bangalore became a member of the edX forum thanks to the efforts of our director, Professor Sushil Vachani. I was among the three faculty who had the privilege of attending a conference organized by edX in Boston, United States, back in November 2014. Now, like most of my colleagues, and I'm sure like most of you would be feeling now, I was in two minds about whether this whole concept of massive open online courses would succeed or not. And I battled with this idea all through the flight from Bangalore to Boston. Once I got into the conference, the first thing that got clarified in my mind was the MOOC model was here to stay, basically because it provides a huge reach for people who have the desire to impart knowledge. You could reach countries and students in countries which you never even thought you could reach. But what I found even more fascinating was I discovered something called the blended model, using the very same videos that we use for the MOOC model. This thought struck me as being very important because I had the opportunity to interact with several students from American universities who had benefited from this blended model. Let me take you through how it works. The 3-credit course that I teach has roughly 55 videos of between 5 and 8 minutes each. Now, these can be split out into 4 or 5 videos pertaining to the theory and the concepts that will be taught in every one of the 20 sessions that I do. So, we tell the students to watch these 3 or 4 videos before they come to class. And in the class, I spend the first half an hour asking them a whole series of questions to convince myself that the students have actually seen the videos and have grasped all the concepts that they were supposed to learn through watching those videos. Oh, by the way, the students also ask me a lot of questions based on what they did not understand in the videos, so the learning happens even better. I spend the next 1 hour of the 90-minute session actually giving them some caselets, which is no more than 1 to 1.5 pages long, which they have to read in class, debate it, which ensures that in the course of the discussion with their cohorts, supervised by me, the instructor, the learning is hugely reinforced. Now, why is this different from the traditional model that you and I are used to? What do we do normally? We tell our students to read a chapter from a book, read a case and come to class. We all know from experience, students never read the chapter from the book, forget reading the case, and they all come and draw a blank. In the blended model, on the other hand, they're doing something which they've got used to doing, which is to watch videos that are no more than 5 to 8 minutes long. They spend a lot of time watching videos on YouTube and so on and so forth, and it's an integral part of the way they learn. So it fits in with their own idea of how to acquire knowledge. And when it is purposeful and they know that it's going to help them in the classroom, they do it with ease. In fact, it's strange. I have students, I've seen them sitting in the canteen while they're having breakfast before they come to class. They're actually watching these videos. That's the level of interest that they have in watching these videos. And so my role as an instructor is achieved because they have learned the theory before they come to class. The course that I have offered on the MOOC, which has about 8,000 students from over 100 countries going through that course, exactly the same thing is what I do in the classroom for a group of 75 students. Now, I had the opportunity to interact with the students who are doing the blended model in my classroom, what they felt about this new way of teaching. They were all very excited. They came up with incredible adjectives. One of them said, "Sir, it's awesome." The other one said, "Why can't all our courses be like this?" So somewhere along the line, I think we have touched a chord and got the students interested in this mode of learning. I am converted to this mode of teaching. So I look forward to seeing you at the faculty development program, where we will show you how exactly this works in the classroom. Look forward to seeing you in the FDP at IIM Bangalore. Thank you.